Today we're making chicken street tacos with a cilantro-lime marinade. They're amazing. Start with lime zest, chopped garlic, cumin, salt, chili powder, black pepper, and fresh squeezed lime juice. Add olive oil while you whisk the marinade. Transfer boneless, skinless chicken thighs to the marinade and use your hands to coat it very well. Set aside, and we're going to saute some white onion and poblano pepper in a hot skillet. You just want to do this until they're crisp tender. Have maybe a little bit of color. I add salt just for seasoning, and after about 5 to 8 minutes, that's ready. Add a little more olive oil to the same skillet and then start to cook the chicken. This will take about 10 to 12 minutes until it's brown and crusty on both sides and cooked all the way through. You can use a meat thermometer to test for doneness. Slice the chicken thighs into pieces about 1/4 inch thick. See how tender and juicy this chicken is? Transfer the meat to a serving bowl and add any accumulated pan juices. Then add chopped cilantro for freshness and give it a good toss with tongs. Street tacos are smaller than regular tacos, about 4 to 5 inches in diameter for the tortillas. You can use corn or flour, fill them with the chicken, the peppers and onions, some avocado, and your salsa verde of choice. This is real quick and easy, down and dirty, delicious. I hope you enjoy.